Hello guys, this is Hard Reset and Duolingo not working. If lessons aren't loading or progress isn't sensing or notifications aren't showing up, try this. First of all, restart the application. Then check permissions. Then check your internet connection, if it's stabilized, if it works properly. Go to the Play Store and reinstall your application. And open it. And if the previous options didn't help you, try to reboot your phone. Just turn it off and turn it on, and it should help you. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.